Good morning, folks. Well, actually, good afternoon. It's a bright out day out here in Atlanta, Georgia area. Well, my last video I've done, I changed pipes on my 2019 Vulcan Vaquero to Freedom Performance. Well, this episode here is I've sold that bike. This is what I have now. Let me switch this. See if I can switch this around. I got ahead and bought me a Street Glide 2021 special. She's a beauty. So it was a 114. I literally bought it so you can see the temp tag at the time. She's like a jet black metallic color with chrome pipes. She sounds pretty good, but I'm going to change my exhaust pretty soon. Not sure what I'm looking at, but I do like the chrome works. I do like the Vincent Hines. Some people was talking about tabs, but it's just that route. I want a more deeper sound. So that's what I have so far. I like how it's just start up right here. Sound good, but I want that more deep roll. Been YouTubing a lot, so sound real good. I am about 200 miles on it right now. I think when I get about 500, my break-in point, I'm gonna go and change out my exhaust tips. Be partial stage 1, then air filter later. And I may change out my grips as well. So I'm still new at the Harley Davidson boys, bike and all, but soon I'll have it like I want her. She's pretty much fully stocked with everything that I like compared to my other bike, but I'm pleased. Just have to change my exhaust. You need your bike loud around here in the Atlanta area and sub-city areas. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Signing out.